Say who was how no as for Bema and Kweti Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. And can wo hoy a yadia essay relationship. Say who person wenum a yesham a crabba wenum and I say a crobia to na who jun wanjia. Me pato bomodina shwe Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Woman boy juma ye pa. So shop one crying ha. Woman check crying was Shell Sandboard, Sprinters Road. So what Kumasi a one more chrono my boy here. She show mo. What ba what person of fro. Why ya frono on to me in fact. De biana na the men says na pa ho. E ya wo say nyamia mo say wo dia wo be wo ba. Me pato bomodina for when it Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Ba me bi so ho agin so. Hey, what you saw no watch. And you know, a cock say, the Bemano, a yabwa dabrijo. And Tim Pato, so what's a how now? Me Pato bombarding a prostrate, about bombarding pa, not for when it's a Friday saying, Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Or be what? Bema, what you see the whole fair. Or dress here, what you say, Bema mu penny. And so ni beshaya but a pew pew. And this sima kaka pew pew Patrick neka me pato yes how ben man dia me can for Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic come out. Obi o so adebo na na san so sopema chese wa win kwapiase no sa. Obi o so na ye nerve disease. Me pato was how na Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Wa hra no brebo Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Open massaging papa. Physiotherapy session aye kama padia Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic na catch us and cry hadie one more Shell signboard wo Kumasi a krodo mabo here na sa kai say ubetimi ne Endpoint for din komo 0244 887068 0244 867068 and now betimi after 027 4234 321 Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Yay, clinic mu papa di. Na ye kan sciatica dia commander na ye bakope 21st clinic. Sciatica 21st clinic. Make am hu nsam akiro. Na time herbal mixture. Hey, time de. Time bobobo. Time yo. Time herbal mixture. Malaria do tata shepa. Fiba bia achu bia. Se wodu matu a wuntimi ndidi. Unam na ya me pato time herbal mixture ebe di wakagirem na time HH mixture no so de wo bomoding na de ka time herbal mixture no ho a wo junso ndo ba yo e manipadua na hoden wo betime didi na eba no eye mpamu agudie soso a me sraw wo ye bema wo mbo adabrijo wo ye bema wo mbo adabrijo time herbal mixture, time HH mixture, and then the capsules. Whoa, a bit wow. Obi o yi eye na ade no so kakra. Obo se na I say pimples in there be ya de. Time HH capsules. Me ba to be boy djuma maka. Wo de we dey kire drugstore pharmacy shop bia. Wo be je bi what your friend 0244 4176669. Ebo wagban.
Yes, me.
Make adabrijo asem wasre a ade obo adabrijo ada.
No, mostly esha asifi and then asem na obo efu.
Aye.
Na quickly eba adabrijo na. All right, so but it's good. I mean,
no, you have to transition. Right?
Yeah. I like the transition.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. But I Ozikan oye then what some.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're wholesome. No, yeah, you bring some so. I can't say be politicians.
Yeah,
we're feeling.
Sure.
Yen as a cry, yen ye organ as a cry, yen ye organ ha wow money from kase on your lack of continuation.
Lack of continuation.
Yes.
Sa ban bi be she bibia se.
Na
no wen
na ma obobo na oboto
do.
It is appear when ye audit of uncompleted projects in this country.
Sure.
Then the value of those projects.
Sure.
The moons can you waste in Ghana.
Yes, says gas.
Yes. And this shit might be I spend millions. So and then can only be useful. Say a completer. Let's be a user. No a useful. There's a million shim and I say into a completer or a waste until it is completed. Into echo, this is assembly, sir. Even project, uncompleted project, one year hospital or your school, all projects, be a road
scattered in
yes,
the
it be a road in Azina, one scattered all over the place. And I'm saying that how wasteful we are as a nation because of politics. Because Obisha say everybody to say trade or down no year because on an average no shall say into ever completing bar also it is I mean my ban no year. Into my ban no year politics in our codrin or no over to project one part of what you're doing. If you saw our project in chair one more contract, why you know 10% to the 20%? Why didn't you? In Zebana, about your union, and also start a new project. The Buno or a school building also community to war. Jordan, what you're that? No, kids another school baby for. You see, and this is a problem. I believe there. All the to me, you solve as a nation. There, Sabani Baba, Nase, Ose, Ami. First year, me start a new project. No more project be ala. Why you were Ghana ha no one for swan. Project in between me, I complete my why useful no. My year in the first year. And Sana must start new project. In Bob man Ghana and Sika ye waste project be wa. See example the state of the project you know are more expensive say per they complete mpa. Because ye jam what deteriorate project na deteriorate ma we do certain stage be a very serious problem and it is killing this economy.
But so many been kobo in Brazil ye call Ayawa so central na ye municipal chief executive na din komo Honorable Rudolph Collingwood na yene na edin komo na wie honorable wadama ye ma kwa baba for God and country so na mpacho na what to say
nyamadum mejo so nanso me ho te se na meka se nwa mu ni atu yentine me ntimi nka se me ho ye de nanso nyamadum ye won komo de meka se me ho ye na mama ebusia asem na tom ni nya shedin so na assembly no so yenso ye be she nya ye be ye ifi na ko
se o ka kire me se assembly no mo ba ye de mo ba hwe de mo ba ye afi ena ekona na honorable boy nkomo kakra sa dan we no ye wan de brebe no mo sha ase so mo si sa dan we na wan na wo mo supervise sa dan we
no kre dan it was awarded from 2012 na omusi but as to the contract get fund project and assembly and awarded get fund project you know I think me buy no me won say dan si wa che nti me we no me say get fund project you know ke me ne edi hu komo my na say send and then I did ya found because you see what say completing was say get fund ebe mu no share contractor na on be the need for engineer it one more
okay
and MP ebe mo dia get fund administrator so by oba no nyamado enye hope na ko say by take opportunity need to share other get fund projects your municipal no munda ema no pe almost share bo ema yansu ye do man because nana I didn't buy no anga sabe hu ye o see no we dey no pe o say ye ni o say na quickly no yansu na ye be afa building no nti me no ka say enra o anga saba site o
all right
on one super site be ma me assurance ni bia bo se o MP bo pe na o twe me o man pressure no ka chen so approve bia ready aka consultant of the site
you know maybe so
sorry na you can say consultant week we be site na
okay
you take it from there
okay before I'm come taking it from there no contract no na a wine na or yes our contract because I believe your handing over note should be able to tell you this
no get fund projects it doesn't come to the municipal so when it happens like that you need to liaise with get fund because any one our the okay bibi won na contractor take you on and I get fan to be say authorization ben I be out here AP food. You need to consult with them as to why bibi na you be shas and you get fan home.
Okay.
Then take that decision on our own because you cannot do so. And you know our day.
I've heard from some other conversations say a down way nankasa no na mo hwe na enye dan a ewa hoden sa ama ebrebi atwemu kra no ase wo mo de ntoma kokko ekosan dan no ho say sa dan we mo bia enkom. That conversation me person confirm my na etisa na
no kre dan we nankasa no sebi the say na can a new building 2012 then can da no 2012 should give you an insight say yeah that sebi it has lived the test of time more than so yeah uncompleted structure because they see over 20-30 years oh so for me here you know sebi meka many unya yet technical people but me say me technical as a lay person me by any point in me call around session and I me call say well and then we mean engineers call the only man advice to say it's a get fund project. It's not an assembly project. And then based on that, you know, what do? We need to consult get fund. Okay, talk of structure. Sebi, me know you to me find you need structure being gaza way or one day way in your one day.
Sure.
Yes, I will say the necessary steps. I will say
So,
true. Based on that, you know, when get fund came in, almost my assurance, now almost my ATS said before anything, they must come and assess the structure. Then structure we can work around it, and structure if we need to pull it down, we'll pull it down.
okay.
And yes, you know, to pulling it down without the advice of the get fund.
Okay, I understand you, but was there in any moment muku say a dan we no enya fit and you know mu cordon off the area? Was something like that done and a warning given to the church members?
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. You say okay, let me or aba show be down. Lama metina kate dan we nya one day. If you are obi sika but plaster now ko you be born koko ube kase we dan we nya one day. But beyond the plastering, the structural works will look good. So, as a lay person, I cannot just come and look at it and say this is that. But for me, what I advise is that because it's an incomplete project now, nobody should have any activity there.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't hear, then I can say, BBC, whom you hold responsible. When I go here, to defect the building, and I say building, indirectly it dropped. It's a project that will be only there. You cannot take charge of it. Because nobody should go there.
Okay. Now, I sorry no. When they decide piano and I said dino, I demand sorry for say woman kono mon consumo.
No credit that's a real distance and say let me see my main fan free chikaka from time immemorial.
Sure.
Mentioning I mean say most of these one man churches in the one now two classrooms ni compound be so but for somebody to allocate structure uncompleted structure to be honest, about 3 weeks ago, I got that information from a resident say, this is what is happening in this building. And quickly, me smart, me security, momo call, constopium, momo and a papa in cases near. But Sebi any pension in a buy in January, and for age man. And based on that, to be honest, we never knew they've gone back to the building now because I saw na me say so share school na gate one. And security war. Make us say me call in me call inspection this security are dey. Answer me room in the back. It's to say we are doing our investigations as to big disika more and no big disika more no man now. And also no cleaning a few more. No media and the action that the assembly will take no mobile also.
Because per the conversation now, yeah, have a way. You have told me say one person cry no nka wo ko ho a gate da no security da no. So the first person I was you saw the page, you know, the security man now on shares abia no. And what action has been taken against the security man?
To be honest, and now send I didn't buy no. Because idea to you put it through. It's yen come to two channel. And yeah, I feel like your cockatoo security man, the matter about the thing. I was saying, you know, and see, Yamado, my yes, the home, Chemra Benner. At the end of the day, if you preach in the can, you know, born this way. I mean, the son says, but emergency in a year, tackle and we are. We'll take it on with the security and then the school authorities now. Then we'll know what went wrong. Though.
I think, sir, Nami one of the engineers, and he tells me, sir, there are more of such buildings. Ayawa so central buildings, no, Omuamusha, and Shedenia holding. Some come away, no, about the top, no, so I'm not what yana.
Okay, a lot of them, it's idea, rounds on them. And okay. Some of the structures can easily be worked on. They didn't that bad, but once a time or now said the 1 year renovation, Kaka, body painting, Kaka, who was editorial with that. And you know, this time around, Yamadu, your common fund Nabana. These are projects to renovate them, to put them to good shape. Yeah, so test, and was there. Demolish, who demolish.
Okay.
Those ones are under the assembly that we can take that way because I don't know if the common fund that came and our air banner we can use it to work on those old structures based on their value near their HR. Then we take it from there. You know, as you said, there are some of the structures that are when we test, you don't say it has lived the test of time. You know, I will say the demolition every building. And also what there we can work on it now to put it to good shape. And also
all right, you better ask it. But one interesting thing that caught my eye yesterday. Namitie, the former MP for the area, Honorable Henry Kofi, and he makes some serious allegations. Say, what about hono idea? No, some security officials, Wama am permitting amana am meboa. Some komono ababe tuja. Mijidi say what exactly happened?
Well, to be honest, I wasn't at the scene by then. But from the information I gathered on the ground, they say, I think when he came, after everything, I think the media wanted to engage him. But from the security perspective, I was told, say, it wasn't good for the excavator. Okay. So I think, I don't know what, I can't say, but from what they told me was that they tried moving back towards the gutter side. Now, assessment now, Senate also secured wise, that was what I was told. But I have not spoken with Honorable himself. We also get the view of what actually happened. Because me, myself, it happened. Regional minister, it happened. Even when Interior minister came, the same thing. And severally, I was telling the media, so I don't know if yourself, you were on the ground.
Yeah.
Were you on the ground?
No, I was not on the ground, but we had our reporters there.
Yes, so you can ask your reporters. Anytime they try engaging us and the place wasn't favorable, they will move us.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So you can also, do that consultation with your media men or women on the ground, and they will confirm to you. But as to how it happened, I wasn't at the scene to really tell that whether he was mishandled or manhandled. I couldn't.
But you being the head of security, municipality, what the minimum said, the course will be properly. You have been briefed.
Exactly. That's what I was telling you, that when I came, that was the briefing I was given. That he was just being advised that he should go back to, for security-wise, they should move back.
And you know, maybe so. One was say now also engaging media now on the side of the story. Did it come as a surprise to you what he said?
In terms of what happened, or in terms of the manhandling?
In terms of the manhandling, what happened over there?
Oh, well, I think a lot of media houses were there. And in times like this, if there is anything, most of the media would have published.
Sure.
Or I don't know what, because for me, what I know is that if such an incident, he is not just somebody within the municipality.
Sure.
Neither is he just a politician within the system. He is somebody who has been there before.
Okay.
So I would doubt if the media wouldn't have captured him being manhandled or anything of that sort. But if there is, then also, and when I came in, I believe they should have given me that footage.
Okay.
That this is what happened to a senior politician within Mr. at that moment.
And you know, Mube Philly said he was only trying to make some political score out of the AC in Rano.
Yeah, but I cannot say yes, like I'm saying. Because me, normally, no, yes, no, they are saying Bibriba. So, if, I'll say if anybody has any footage of him being manhandled, I believe it should be circulated or it should be given to us.
Sure.
So that we can take charge. You know, when we went to Ablekuma North for the by-election, when the policeman assaulted the media or the journalist, another media captured it. Others captured it as well. So some of these days, you cannot just do something and go scot-free. The system will capture you.
All right. So
I'll be glad if there is a footage like that, so we can take it from there.
So for now, once there is no footage, you can conclude by saying, now pay attention, okay?
Oh, I cannot say so pay attention, because when he even came in, it was the MP, Honorable Raouf, who escorted him to brief him.
Okay.
As well as what has happened. So, like I'm saying, he's not just somebody you can just manhandle or mishandle. So, in the system.
Okay.
For somebody to manhandle him, it would have been something else. Yes, but for me, the information I gathered is that he was being asked to move back and conduct his interview.
All right. And but before I hear one more corner, besides I say the nipa 3 now ye ka say wo mwewu ebi mo epra no ebi ababeka ho ana
even ya pa cho debi omo ma pra no the same number ena nyame adom omo nya omo nkwa no so the same number ena ye befa che akonya nso de America bishia omo ho akọ nyina omo nya abotre asema ba mo news. But God knows best. So like I said earlier, when I say we are called hospitals, we would advise regional minister, any honorable government, people are all responding to treatment.
Okay.
They should stand by their victims. We would also do what we have to do, but almost no more words of encouragement, no more said.
And so far, no plan, do I saying?
So far, no victim there in the local hospital, but on our way on the ground, so 5 has been discharged.
5.
from 37 years. I assure my dispatching. Yeah, discharge you. Near canon soon. They are still under we are sure.
Omo can only more number.
Oh, initially it was 20.
Yeah.
But now 5 has been discharged. Now 15.
All right. I'm in the scene every so my hokama, you know, Dinko, Honorable Rudolph Cullenwood William. You better was singing, I'm sure why. Good.
Okay.
Abuja for a year, the municipal chief executive for Ayawaso Central, and I'll just say, you know, AD and Como. Ebo, what's the way to Como?
Yeah, I mean, he spoke with maturity.
Sure.
He's mature.
Yeah, or mature.
Yeah, no response. I'm a man, you know, or Taquim. Yeah. I was, usually people who play politics with it, especially Enrico Tinike, no issue there. For most or answer questions.
Why am I not some more?
Is he?
Enrico to the Yaman,
yeah, like look at the response. The MC is a man.
Sure.
There, Obian Jobagran, or your politics. As but also, I know, briefing was a man.
Sure.
No, Yema or Cordon, if you evidence on Fambra. You see, Henry Goat is an for a cow social media there. They wanted to make a political capital out of it. Whether it is true or not, in the politics, maybe a time your politics are called Ghana, but the man a year canon. So if I get fund project, wasn't my
we'll come back and get into the issues, but I mean, engage Patrick. Patrick, is there here in a
is there a draw? Ochinachi Echibim Friday 3rd April. You call Love Chapel, first Love Chapel.
All right.
You call Harvest Praise. You call him your handkerchief asa. It's answer is Samba to you beam. Love Chapel on the 3rd of April. First Love is Legon 4 p.m. sharp. Obian fan a duku, Obian fan handkerchief.
Sure.
Now, I am to Foku Dam Nebebaho. The legendary Tego sisters, Omu Hobby, the anointed PACS, sir. I said then you. Unasi you on Subeba hobby. The youthful timidity Ghana on
with a
so woman now ya
I mean the Yamia say
Messi and Yamianka why yemi defe
and you must have him to me.
There is a food or the nefa have 3rd April Friday yeah or time
near time
4 p.m. sharp.
That's a 4 p.m. near our house.
That
time when you're
what can 4 p.m. near Waha.
The Bianca Cosia, dear way pa.
With a cabin on
Miami manager.
I would a cannon. I cannot.
That's our program way. Harvest Praise,
we are free man.
Maybe,
yeah, because
I got 4 p.m. near
4 p.m. near.
I say 4 p.m. So 4 p.m. And I just saying to me,
Prof. Not to see to me, and then die. Because you can't check for
that's to say, you bet you
the biscuit.
Say, someone saw my bread ticket to VIP ticket. My imagine back when there's Jesus beside him. Becoming to Minko.
And tonight I camp or harvest place. I can't hear me and to me, Kobiana. There be also friend watching my engine some news. Yeah.
Opa some do.
Your point, grant.
Opa some do.
There be a point,
so pass some do. Yanko. Now, almost all join here, then I saw it.
Register. Register. Yahoo biodata. Buy a point. Yama drink bianum. Star 725 star 1155 hash. Star 725 star 1155 hash. And no enough for Wabusia 4. And what do for Yinamra. Near Masum Yam Yan Toyum. Near Niasa.
Where the for enter a better kakra. But I JRP, maybe a line that's 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Time Herbal Mixture, a big thank you. Yadamwase, Samoa Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, Yabedamwase, RSYD, no VG Studios, Musu Yabedamwase, Sasuna 21st Clinic, Yabedamwase. You're trying one basis here. Yaba, Ebo Backman, Ewaha.
The last be Mananam, TikTok, Mokoti video be. I want to see a video.
Me video now was saying.
Na abenti ebi baha. Na me de ebo me video bi o says the children. Ada paya. Obi o say na yam mad okay yes yam madness na azin It's getting out of hand.
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag ni.
Bra, aden, enan so biem.
Hey, time heba me hwa ya me ka se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hwa esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hwa, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab ame yehu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o time heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba ko so wo atonsu wona ko junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA agi ejodi enkratu yi atu.
Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ghana ha di obi anim sesa ye prostate. Na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a. Na eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Anase eye kidney, eye liver problem. Wo fa baby ena adjujo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a. Be ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo dem fua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adjujo. Kidney problem, prostate de. Eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Kuma se obehu endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ewo konoma boy here. Ena Accra hanso so de. Wo mo gina mu ankasa. Ewo Spintex baby friend share signboard no. Wudru na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic. Obia ebechro. For endpoint ewo 0244 867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo dem fua.
Hedebo how crania ebo wa hweme woriwi busumi bia na nsu afro na hu nyina awrewre we ka ho a busumi mienu a mepenti me hu ni amenye me ho kra biom ebo
kofi pa na se wontumi mfa painting kunti anzio hwe ohaw no ewo dan no mu ankasa o
nti we de man den edan no pose me wie o
simple kra Gasem super strong waterproof cement omo cement for fra wa ye no abefo kwan so a ebo edan ho ban free nsu ho
eni se we de ye repairs nkwan
o da bi ominia eno ne ma ne dance no hwe wo betumi de asowo se ansu anonom no ma wo penti kra na e wa wai ano ana wo betumi nsu de esidan
sa
wo betumi de aye foundation block work plastering chese cement ba ko a utumi de sidan na samma ban bo mapano no
wow
Gasem super strong waterproof cement. Cement ba kwa ye disidan na sam bohun ban. Sinu ye preko.
Gasem, the nation builder.
It's a celebration, a time of Holy Spirit inspired music, theater, and word ministrations. Harvest International Ministries presents Harvest Praise 2026, the Restoration Edition. It's time to return to our first love and rebuild the broken altars. The Evergreen Harvest Gospel Choir will host the legendary Tego Sisters, the anointed PSA Esther, the youthful team Eternity Ghana, plus a power-packed life-transforming drama performance by the Harvest Theatre. It's on Good Friday, 3rd April 2026, 4 p.m. prompt at the First Love Center, East Legon. Guess what? It's free, but you must register. To register, dial *725 *1155 hash on all networks. Harvest Praise, get your praise on.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Herbal Clinic Accra. And you won't hear passengers a gumi kaimu. A Hana do one aircraw. Hey, and this Accra and put away the mo. And yet the Muampa. The said ye, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Sano, I am more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Need send me 2 months and 8 years cano. Connection na encheda nkoye na esakakra ti say wa pege mu ama hodiam bam connection ne wo de we obo wo de ba de kra ho ha ba do kra wo de ba de kra ye stroke nso de wo fa no small Chese, Ajidi wa wu ani de asie no. Yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so ani so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yare bia. Kumasi say,
owo agogo opposite government school no.
Ena nkrahan so obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so. Frɛ Doctor 0244774282.
Ena 0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Wudimafo ne hwa.
All right, Ebusia for a course about to SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Menabuka say a chairman Omari Wade and kind third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party seated Roger T.D. Wells. Ewa hat sasra. Almighty ma Amanyokubi party was also a tone. The Mamo, and you graduated high Ebo Backman, Ebo Backman, Medoka say, one so atlas. Now, Obama, the other make a Bo Backman, what two in your head is.
Also,
make a Bo Backman with your head on.
Also, I had title Benadiban.
That title, what then I'll say.
So one can you
Uncle Sen Uncle Semican.
Will be Zanon Wanka. Bizano no anka.
Everyone this title here they got.
What's it? My title was the our madness is getting out of hand.
Benjamin Asari.
So this UP people, their madness is getting out of hand. Hey, Edrisa. Madness. Our madness be getting out of hand. Okay, then maybe we'll escalate our madness.
Okay, Roger T.D. Wells, me ma kwa to say. But just a microphone, my boy. Bibi abokore.
Oh, about the Daruma, ye share ye de ekoso my ganemu, and anamo His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama etuna. Ne ye share bibia na ye fi ni bibia Nyankopon eni ebedua. Ye beka se Nyankopon edi ni. Na ma memfa kwenye na menchia ye His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama. I mean, China Bedriche, Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajima, the first female award in this highest political status in Ghana's political history. American is Hanonami in Chiasronko, Amaye party chairman, the strategic tactician, I mean the nightmare of the NPP. So, or the Saturn many say, na I said the Akrama Wabufum when I am to no muyum as your most shim. Na midima no si no na me chia me ampapanum de Ahoy brothers na enchiadu to enko ma kwesi Ahoy Ghana pa no se onkoda Serbia ano embo adwuma embo Ghana ne ye grassroots ni na I mean the delegates the executives at the various branches
Mamina say I think was it on Friday or was it on Saturday na Sami Jemfidi ni birthday Dabenga Saturday. All right, so Sami Jemfi, wherever you are, remember to celebrate. I believe you celebrated that day in a grand style. So Sami Jemfi, happy birthday to you once again. You are indeed a brother from another mother. Thank you so much. Maybe I will be out. Sami Jemfi would want to say that may the good God protect you, grant you all the mercies, grant you all wakuma swadie. Adebia oshishwe every radi enchembiano nyame enyemao. Menuya Sami Jemfi, happy belated birthday once again. Obanwa de na today.
Be say party no ko bi.
There be party no wan ko bi o.
Yeah, invite you.
There be. Na me ni town.
We sure.
There na me ni town. Na me obi.
Invite invitation by and went to me uncle and I say what invite you.
There be me manya invitation bia. Nanka
be a for everybody. I say cow the be anything cow boom power.
Oh, there be na say me anka or say me boom. Because me I don't need any.
No,
I don't need any invitation from Sami Jemfi.
Yeah, yesterday you were free moon time. Yeah, you see Roger no. What train.
What trending? That's a Roger Ejuma.
Away.
I don't him.
Appointment number.
Roger what MP and
me Ejuma boss but Omaro adi on ope nansem biaka. What you say? Once a MPP no, sisi ana omun nam to say scavengers. Almost scouted for scandal. And mupe bibi aka. Amano ye omu meka but there's nothing to say. All right. Nothing to talk about.
As it
what you say?
Because a man appointment, a man job.
Yeah, mommy appointments.
Net
mother answer na about.
Oh, you know jai.
Oh, they be no boss there now. A boss no age, man.
Where sure?
Oh yes.
I won't cry as it.
And crying.
And yeah, I only be pay.
Minibupe.
I won't cry.
I won't cry.
Sir. Since when?
These are private. We are the one who is out. We are the one Last question, man.
Since when has he been working there?
I've been working there for some years. Couple of years.
It only years, I.
Yeah. A decade.
Wouldn't years, I.
Say a decade. Now, I don't want to brofo.
Now, answer the question. Comedy and I said, and I just a bench, shall we?
Black Star for Jesse.
Why am Jesse?
Ghana Black Star.
Ghana Black Star.
Yeah.
What else would you make?
Only my dear. As a matter of fact, no.
What else would the Black Star say?
Medium mochi. No man support you. No.
Team Austria.
Team
Austria.
Oh dear, my can't say.
And the Germany be good 10.
They be. Oh say.
Baby, in the doing you one.
And aside that, if baby na eko baby. What I say? Who share the way na party no? The way na Black Star. AC aye basana. African Cup Brian Kobe.
645.
Yeah, 645. Yeah, amano there. What's the name?
Mama Madjani be why.
There.
Answer 645 number.
And you know, sir, Black Star say win here. Asamana again. Unji omuni.
Dabi o, wo de Black Star.
Me amano wa there unji Black Star.
Oma say NDC abai no.
Black Star say NDC abai.
Oh, how do we talk? So I'm say bono this one. Utia, urade.
Hey, Black Stars.
Oma say NDC abai.
Me that's. Ebo bagwan.
Yeah.
On best sports one.
Oh, I mean, once a footballer, how do I mean best sports?
Na position be na now.
Me a midfielder.
No. Sir.
Oh, but Bob, mama job. Morgan National College. Na ball am mo bonti. Na your school team. Na mo school team.
Oh, okay.
Now more national from polo. Because of mobile left.
Oh, okay.
Until me call Gasco. Six foreman. Now we're from Kalusha. Na manka aseminasro.
Na kaka cherebe.
Da na more Gasco no. Chana menye Bafojan.
Yeah.
And na Patrick Villas no na ze na the same team of Cape Coast from Liverpool. Na more Gasco na Bafo Adisco Villas war agree. Into we there. They pick the best teams, the best players from the schools. Now they form them team in Liverpool. Now, you know, Dano Usu. I bet I bought a play with Dano Usu. Also go super. Now I don't know one in charge of coach to Cape Coast. Until I was a match one of the days. Now, most of them ball no. Ball young one put a match offer me and I said, don't play this coach again. Go and play Premier League.
Professional.
As a ball like from ball.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh, na many ball papa.
Whoa.
Na many ball papa. Now, more Legon. So in fact, interesting. More Legon. We bought Legon school team.
Oh,
Mohamed Polo was our coach.
Oh really?
Now I dislocate him.
Wabeti.
Yeah, cause so many people were Legon. East Legon. Now me a backstroke. Dislocate him arm.
Oh okay.
Into me obi biala onimo school from National to Gasco. Oh my, I've been to that ball because we were looking forward to see you. Or
I can't deal with it, and the Bobo Backman has the ball. Oh, okay.
Okay. From Pond at from Pond, a guy behind our fan, Kwame Pele.
All right.
On ball school team.
Okay, so now back to the issue on the table. A Danya Ghana a Jiregu. But from a year 2000 to now, no, yenya and 9 back 55. 1 year a year 88. 1 year a year 490. Ebu Backman Mamintiu. And then join it to the latest story.
Oh, monster.
Okay.
He's made a special request.
Okay, Mami Nasi. Omari Wadia wants to start with this discussion. Omari Wadia, let's say 55 from year 2000. Eba.
Asasibia also Kroma.
What's it?
Asasibia also.
Asasibia also.
No earthquake. And Sudan, you see,
Edu baby and
Ejuregu. You see, Ghana handle. Yeah. And she hire your pen some council and pay a Jumaya. Into ada 80 was I energy
55 from 2000.
Ya chiri obi.
Minty.
Contractor bia ya nchi no. Yamba ne contractor bia. Messi for ne ayi 4 mile for na wom. Engineer for ne ayi a friend say. If they run no so.
Me yente hwe.
And say because we abubu akungum.
And out of the 55 a dina a collapse no. One more ewu omo ye 88. And a woman with pra a 400.
And you made that. And we any made that manslaughter difference no.
Ah, me you say be your friend lawyers no more much.
Say yeah what see your ma permit. We ko sit down. Ne once ni ye na adwire ku nipa. So share da ebo apaye say sikaduro no akogye. Na yete ho we. Ghana for.
We are not serious.
Are we? Yanchiro obi am punish obi anti no ase is it for cement time we use too. Na dan si wana say a friend say no. Is you na e so. Are we serious as a nation? Sometimes you na more me who straight be a see wa columns or pillars home na as a pencil. Na ya na be to down to as be 5 6. And binims work office bi mu wako we don't say board down na hands and wa froda.
There be.
Yegusu hwe engineer for twam. Do ma permit no say nipa ne car so be pencil columns, pillars. Now so ma permit yem punish obi asada. Utwam na ma permit na na dan see what say pencil no. When timi an question say enye no na de ma mo. District bia ho engineer am from works. Works in ma permit. The works for no ma permit nipa na si dan no omo ko hwe because omo jiska before the permit. Say permit na ni ma na wo ye no. The animal see a down stop work produce permit. Permit omo ji wi omo si obi. Ye ku Ghana for with shoddy jobs. With shoddy jobs. The contractor now here you money Tuanica. They say a get fund project.
Yeah.
The Tuanica then. I know yes that structure see why is a young foul blocks of crying so let me agree. Are we going to call the person? Abraham Bokagu. Abai Wabokagu. You see, it's high time people have more responsibilities. You better call you to order. I heard you discussing or interviewing
the municipal chief executive.
Chief executive. Also, Kokoshino. I have not heard any media person has gone to the church elder or leader. Names only we and as the support church members live in a we.
We have 3
we and members and as elder.
Sorry more. It has not been confirmed. Say now a software and I say elder.
So can say matters will make his statements on other platforms. So call echo caution woman. Nka hear me say sorry for ye ba ha omo ba be catch them so for was it there be ye cast me free ha and am mo course ye everything ha. But until we take some of these actions, because we create this as a nation.
So municipal chief executive they are to him say omo ye nhwehwe mu
and America no nka oka se o catch sorry for nka nsenchiro for mo small sorry for no baby say omo ni baby omo da you see ni baby omo wo hospital am go na ko bisam se na sorry na you say be catch am se mamunya sorry mamu nsu ha biem na ede na mo call ho fact finding truly were they told cautioned not to come there. Matison Colano cry school for the sit down na mu sit down near ho den teacher for cry catch the equalize more and bend down. But somebody watched it standing there. A dan when you see who say a dan structure when you correct no you timi try on here madam boku nipa. You timi a private cry na we can say but this is a public and can you imagine say contractor yes ejuma and then timi twice. I don't know why they paused
from 2012
Yes, ebi an engineer for no ko hu say no. The job the guy is doing, no, ain't me fan kwala. Ti no policy here. Me to say vice president corner the mbu efusa da no muja adwuma no man hweso anto aso. Meaning why they stopped because possibly the engineers saw set their contractor na ye no kwala e koso hwie ni kwala ko trema be buagu kwala no.
But per eye nkomo a municipal chief executive ni di and die. Na ono the current MP ni ono no they were putting pressure on Get Fund for them to come and continue with the work.
And that means they thought say structure near correct. So
well,
the integrity of the structure was okay for them to proceed. Okay, kun kola na we. So mo ko ye na mo to blog yi and kola gum because from all they say a damn be bu interest the columns na hoodin asa.
I don't think so.
And a dan ye si abansoro. Obe kona abansoro ye si ye didua ye cast concrete na ye didua na ewu. Abro ni bibi e friend vibrator. Men ka vibrator ba ko no. Amukra odi am de friend no.
But then vibrator back over now. Oh, there be other than most. You are getting me lost.
You will vibrator. You de ura you friend say concrete mu. Na concrete no akompa aye ding.
Na uka say won ka back no. I say the unnim bi a me nim back benya.
Yeah bisa.
Oh, there be mama yera. Okay, let's make progress.
More ma okroma via.
Emma. Hey, oh Mary, what dear? Me ba tell yanko. Go in him.
I'm twice.
Yeah.
I'm saying nubi.
You are talking about the sex stories. Sex stories.
But they are wanting team be out this one book was it only at the end of the same way we not have.
Yeah, me.
You do not say my contract about continue ye did ya.
And ye di
one. Obey we in the cowboys and who I then uncle ye. Yes.
And you know, you feel say your engineers, you know.
One more Messi 4 near 4 my 4 no. Can how the bed last time cofa Messi in India and as a 4 my be I say for certificate bra.
A bedding.
But cockroach swaswa blocks when I had sent a blog to no one was a Messi dying. One tear see how why we miss 4 backs to 1 and as why open aggregate they don't most of them don't. And to see who that to a mama oh whether than son or do my affair. We be to miss your palm almost son or do my affair. But when it comes to the technical aspect of building a house, concrete floor on your Castilla cement a dear on the master no you suit your castle you suit for no you suit to not buy to me a year and see. And now iron rods to create okrum iron rods okrum opa ochina if a big caliper.
Yeah.
I know that this is idea around. And I say person who
the caliper.
Ochina kope caliper wankasa. Na fa ko ba bi eto iron rods. Oko also pe 1 inch and as a half inch and as a cut record. Would I just mention? Obeka so ebi ngu ho no. Fa caliper le ko si hu na hwe. That it is who I'm telling you.
And that's so serious.
I am telling you.
And the Ghana Standards Authority.
Standard of Authority is a authority.
But one can say what you say or matiti so. What the caliper go around that?
My head that. Imagine where my ache. Construction you mean. And if you are not careful, also per 1 inch near mount 3 quarters. Also sako, what the kuguso. Utimwana dana buokum. Jankano cry. Ukaya, aside be baka say we ni ene gu hoyi. So next sharp contractor na so nye obi a uni mu a ya sama. Still bend that for so on call ya sama ne. Omo kra omo nkita bi, omo ni bi.
Omo nkra calipers ni bi.
Still bend that for.
Yeah.
That's what nyina sua your friend is saying. Ghana ha ya obabi e train at the science o. I can ma certificate, your friend is saying license and a permit. Just say from example, Western housing.
Yeah, but so the various polytechnics and the universities in the crowd, one more year engineering. No, I know, say, they are taking
Accra
Technical Training College. Yes,
that's what they're supposed to be doing, training. And Kabia, who are the contract be here? I call you a contractor. They cry from contractor 4x4.
Yeah,
at least you must go and write some exams there
to become a professional.
Lower level, mason for your structural engineers.
Yeah.
More amazing. First one amazing. What than a foreman? What than a site supervisor? Nothing the co school become one when your masters, when your PhD, near flow engineer.
But you know, see from on this.
But Anna make a sense amazing for. And still benders no. And I said, you must for some kind of training. Near mom certificate, certified. So your cousin go is one. It's not calling a contest. Okay, go. We are going to go. No, what it's called. Design, drawing, engineer. People could be ready. Your friends and map, building plan. Some of them even don't know how to read it. But we want to see down our policy. We want to see you down. If you know, I was work of now, so the do what is that could Timusa. Now, maybe I'm Mohammed to be sure them is now, me say that gun has a sebe uzukakra. That gun has a sebe uzukakra.
I didn't say remember.
Yeah, we are then in a flat.
Mami, now
but lastly,
okay, that's fine.
Lastly, okay, the cobra.
All right, so maybe I have no mood, but you can better still say it now.
Mom,
okay, Ebu Bagman, Mami.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, about me campaign to here. Now, most of because of the large sizes are there, so we're meeting in churches.
Okay.
Now, I am very particular about emergency exits.
Okay.
I saw that be a wa, Krobi wa, saw that cracker.
Yeah, no correct.
I don't acquire back when you acquire back up and a Dutch who room one. And a be a wa two, a three back there, a chili hono, and then left a side and side.
Sure.
Now, side and side, over called the engineer room of you, a gate, no who's a gate where you be 10 years a crabber. Padlock were done on whom foot through, just a nippon for. I saw for Babette now. You near those doors. And he said, BBC, the man for saying, and I saw the disaster. I'm telling you, most of the churches I visited, baby, a commit. I saw it there, no. Young fat to crown down, a dime to crown, one entrance.
I mean, now,
they need to know, so yes,
yeah.
But why don't we ask you? And that's all no more.
I saw no more.
So why do you build a church and leave all? You don't create emergency exits.
All right, I think, sir, it's a solid point that you have made. But me when backman, and then you can also tie the discussion to a year over the weekend. I saw na ejatu mono. Is it the resurrection? Oh yeah. No, I'm saying and then is here. I saw Nana a jatu moi. Now I sorry for Nabijana mo bompaye. And then with the fire service situations, we will come to that. But take a bite at this one before.
Okay, before that, so kada man be serious about in Zemebia. I was in China some time ago. And so the Food and Drugs Authority organ ne type of China. Penny no down no. What's it? Is ban bia or yam farm is ban to the lactogen on nan one and the be. Penny no obin produce bi marketer mo farm using na no obin we binum yere. Do you know what they did to the person? Or in charge, you know? Ukun.
Omukuni pan. Really?
Yeah. So one more project there. your road construction or China. And the road no so those 10 years and some will deteriorate. No so 9 years in no deteriorator. Our contractor no, you'll be blacklisted in your contract to be over China now.
Really?
And so one more project now. What I put a project in more than 15 years. I mean your contract or a performance based contract. Say China, na say obisidan na den no structuring onye no den bu mo nyipa wu ya awu sidan awu be permitting awu bi ala ye involve no eboko nti wo mu edwuma there ya you go the extra mile to do it well. But here you are over practicing democracy. Nti say nyimpa a mistake na nyipa do wumpa onye hwe ze manyame yazimanyame just also no one champion MP one champions of sources yeah nti say ye pede ye yenzeme ye ya umwana yezi adwuma hwonsa sisi nsuru baboto met your farmer warning the insuboto pa nti to yenzeme ye anamboa
no crepa
yes nti wona wesi sadan obebi on se the wesi sadan nyina insu kakra to impon flood na wabo akra anse insu to ya to anse insu wato ekobebi akra bebi why wona waden baka why waden lake wona wama permit mankofu si dana wonsin yi nkofu si dan wodi si bebi on se the wusi dan sin the monkrofo no ye won dan. We call them engineers, building inspectors. Ghana ha obi anyo nankasa ba no wesi ne dan. Since we didn't put obobota, they will write produce permit anamboa. So say produce permit. Na say ibakru wesi den even a dan until on sedo si bebi also do sin. Away waterlogged area. Away area in Sugada or ho. That's a block in Suna. And so the a block no how pay ha.
No correct.
Into the flooding baby usin. Another issue. And you may say you see the on said that yan yard or ya baby yard to wall and or the compound you know in the to concrete or what. Do you know that in Ghana? Is done. Na say ankasa to wall on said that concrete to all the place. Also the baby in soon otta oba me ma foam. Because I want now concreteness in sunu otta obupe baby. Do you get the point? But say our yard na say our baby for concrete nguya in sunu ta oba men akofom.
No correct.
So all these things ni na no one no one in charge.
Say crowd you two tiles.
Yeah, what to tiles? What is against the law? One a certain percentage of the yard you know osidija ija ni idu other grass or bibia and suta ogudo bokofum na say ye mo nkofo kwan ma where mo ope in terms of baby open was it then see burden permit was it no there's no inspection. We sit down now we should show interest, you see, and then you see oil private property but isa o send there nyimpa fa wo den achil o send there nyimpa ba batu wo dan mu ana obi baba sra wunti eden onye wankote na ebetinam into oben here there say yes then now in terms of quality eden even though it is your own you know we should show interest am ochire bi enka na miniscate no si den biara na onyanko ba onche no bu a we ku nyanko projects no kana sa it's even private developers we should show interest in what they are doing, not only government contracts, because as would then average permit. Let's say our plan. Let's say let's say then also look at Malcolm and assembly scene. After that, what did you do as a nation?
Almost setting up a committee. Now committee almost setting up. No, the committee came out with a finding say there are over 100 of such houses. Won't cry. But Yembisa say report now more the coin.
Where the former Nyamiala.
I remember said that committee was chaired by Ayora Samuel Kofi Ampedu.
Yeah, former Nyamiala.
Yeah, they are Nyame.
Now, I don't know where Sina on Yana Rubunin. No, was it your politics?
And he also knows, Sir Malcolm Dane Bugu ye cry no. The Omanje permittance no Musi Sada.
Can you imagine? So what are we doing?
Per the findings.
What are we doing? So, since you like, watch. My yama ya by 1 month. Yan kada ma se me bio.
No cray.
Issue of fufu baba na yakizi echi. Na ya de na yeja. Nti all the buildings now what's that a pencil PLC. Mas in the TV3 show Krubi. I've forgotten the area. What's our junction be do? So a skyscraper all your who's in a more does it do. Ma was in Kofa complain but we see by 2 or 3 or 4 or okay. Why should we sit down for such thing to happen? No, auntie, your basre, you know, painful. See, time be America. Say, you got to a bar, you to a bar, my engineer or municipal assembly. Get a bomb politician.
Sure.
So, politician or your wasazi, there, damn, technocrats now, you're human. I will make sure that why you're human, pepe. Because why you to a bar, one. Into office, you know, are you comfortable with office or because Obialam. No accountability, no enforcement of laws. This I know I can't know Brahmin sign. They don't even read properly. No, I sign as an encore on go through.
And you even cry to the reading of the document properly, but the before I sign an envelope. That's so. Yes.
And say I'm showing ye. That's structure. The other structures are also soon in a you. And we seen it done. Prof, we seen it done. A chinabi in market in Suboto, in Subota, in so torture, assassin.
I
am re. Instead, then Biala we see only strong foundation. Obutum will easily. Obutum will easily. So they are burden civil or what? In answer the civil trade, I said the authorities and say, walk around. What will put them burdens ahead of time? Because they are weak. Now, your best politicians. One is the tomb, Yazima one also the wasal. Ministry, that means the fall under. I don't understand why Get Fund only jurisdiction. Get Fund doesn't have jurisdiction. Why the Get Fund, okay, project to a municipal assembly,
assembly engineers and a supervisor.
Assembly Get Fund. Get Fund must do it through the assembly. Get Fund project one fund for assembly so that assembly will do the supervision and monitoring. Because I will Get Fund in your jurisdiction. And to say I'm showing you. Na say time biano chop ya only chop ya contract 10% chop ya anti. One for get for assembly na say municipal chief executive when you be kakra one.
Na ebo who say then contract then
chop 10% chop ya. I know some of these things so see because
sir
yeah project be or why they back
about 10% chop na can we be there.
10%.
At some what
you see I'm my presiding member though.
Okay.
Na matna tender board so that Cape Coast.
All right.
Na me nzama okodo da manzama no ho on yazi kakra ba.
Anti what 10%?
I'm only 10% of that because I don't have the power to do it.
Okay.
Let me tell you, me I've always had problem with people. One person had problem with was Nana Twata. Yeah, former local government.
Yeah.
Obaka supernatural. I mean a principled person. Mizime Gary, na chinam.
There be problem on any.
Oh, on the issue be you see, a very funny issue, but if you permit
no, yeah, let me.
You see, assembly was a civil man person. They can relocate or Cape Coast or Kokumpe, mechanics or Sudu
magazine for
Sudu, yes. A relocate to Nako, men person.
All right.
And see how them why meetings so RCC? That I know a regional minister. Why meetings so RCC? I didn't know.
Okay.
Last one. No, we invite him. To cry in 1 minute, and we go through the minutes. No, realize there. The main past seminar, yet there. I'm assembly acquired. There was a pseudo phone
magazine for the
yes, no, that or the mechanics.
Or the Catholic.
Yeah, Catholic. There was a land compatibility issue. Catholic for assassin after that.
Okay.
Into what Jano can. Into, I'm going to say, this is not correct.
But Satan, now we're then.
I was a presiding member.
Oh, okay. Of the assembly.
Yes, no, Mr. This is not correct. But on there, I was not happy.
Okay.
Into our program, you come maybe now, but I didn't.
Come on, Udi.
Oh, I know the Bacaro. But I didn't. No. I proposed it there. And we're clear. Then he decided there.
Yeah.
Obi ko kompe funa Anchorful. But the part of Anchorful na Obakono or fall under KEA, not Cape Coast.
Okay.
But he suggested to me though, even he say impa assassin or overclaim. Which was the contract now. I ignored it. And I'm come as a movie. And when I'm emergency meeting or assembly.
Okay.
Now I'm for emergency meeting. I'm catching on there. It is not the regional minister who should decide.
Okay.
It should be the assembly.
All right.
Into one assembly for. What per day? Kokumpe for woko. Mempasa man woko. Na assembly for decided there. Na that any decision in Yabugu. Into your bone in Agui. Into on you trouble carpenter.
But yes, yeah.
Principal person. I mean that's how I am. Mizima Gary and I'm the corner chinam without even pepper.
Okay.
I prefer that one to their maternal conscience.
May that say. All right, Mammy Cows, Roger T. Wolves, had Mammy Cows a time herbal mixture, medical Canada, sir, a TD Yadia Drupa, Wawinya malaria, Wawinya typhoid, when Numa to a wound timin didi, Kai say, a time herbal mixture, Honam Yaya, just say, when Numa to malaria, no way treaty, typhoid, no way treaty, me patcho we draw your time herbal mixture. Now, time HH mixture. And then the capsules, no dear. Me pacho namunsa yadidro. Unuma emanipeduano aquara hoding. Yade bia hinta umubiano yipi. Na esasa yadiano. Na uyo bema wujunso a wo bre. Ana namwa wutimi give you kakras wa bre. Me pacho time AH mixture and then the capsules those be jewa kagidem. And no way nyina no Food and Drugs Authority for agiatum. For when it chere drugstore and as a pharmacy shop be unsabe kebi obi oho a se maka kire that adabrijo bon enyefe as one kasa no nya kono bia se uno hu kani be hia oba ne be manyina obasa libido ne basro a your time herbal mixture me pacho bomodin drugstore pharmacy shop be obenya bi 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 nasaka bio say 21st clinic one more pay setters. About the sciatica there, 21st clinic. Because sciatica they are expert in Africa or Ghana. Sciatica ne say usisi ni your friend is saying usire mu ntini na nam hokopio na ase ebeka we chika se no ama wuntimi 29 sa yade no ne your friend sciatica. Sciatica ne de e ba so na nam utumpom na usire mu a kai say age 21st clinic. Central Hill Runabout, Ube who won't cry, ha. Tema, one more Roman Catholic, I saw dino, Echiwa, Casua, Shomo, New Boom, Market Road, no. So, walk, Masia, one more if you overseas, maybe some pie from one, a hot and over whom. Sir, Ushomo, Sunyania, one money at your first gate, and they didn't share anymore. Regional Hospital. Nasakai said, Techiman more, Cransa more, Takwa more, Takradio more, Shishomo Bricum Gosso and Obuase. From more 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Roger, Mamin to you.
Abochi, sa issue disheartening. Me who ya na me ra hu pa. Say, ye bet na no aye hwe han. And I say, yeah, hwe na edan a omusi ni biara ma na bu ekum nimpa ai we enye first enye second enye third atuatua so saa besinde. But question am me bisa ne
from year 2000 data makeda 55
oh abochi edan baku 55 ene ebu eku over 80 people 88. Yeah, this is something I will say. Yes, so much concern. The driver need dashing.
Omo me pra 490.
Yeah.
Landlord become.
Oh, that one they maybe.
No, even with
landlord become.
Even with issue of landlord no, crampo no, and crampo ko danche because on mine no edumafo no with the district MMDCs. Your friends in the various municipal and district assemblies, engineers, they owe a sense of duty to protect lives.
Sure.
which is constitutionally enshrined. And you know, if the system have failed, this is not just a matter of a friend is saying collapse, or not say you cannot attribute it on the side of the landlords or on the side of the owners of the property, but a failed system which is deliberate or out of negligence. What's that say? Because before we do foundation, may catch you say no matter who you are, what the pick as both women there, you get the district assembly there.
Stop.
So they cannot tell us say they did not go and see these structures being put up periodically. No,
inspection.
They will come and stop you.
The building inspectors.
Yes, and it's not just about paperwork. Permits is a matter of protecting and safeguarding lives. It's about making sure say compliance, like people are compliant to standards. What's that say? It you know say you to me protecting life. Then what are we as a country? We have allowed people to sell poison and chemicals to us. And places we will stay to us. Yes, say yes. See, here, on my yet we constructed road now 1 year. I airport to an assign rough road. On my gun, meanwhile, you want to checking to make sure, say, the work is being done. I'm going inspection. Are we joking? You know your hosere and we expect to develop. If not for anything, yam backdated to 2000. No, every building a collapse, we should prosecute the contractors. The people who are in the assemblies, who are pension cry or say a chum baby na your friend is saying, Adakanimu, now we are no one who swear, yeah, we have to dig your grave.
Posthumously.
Yes. Because you cannot put people's life at risk. These are future presidents, future ministers. These are people that could have brought transformation to the community. Now say a man now go out of negligence. You see, obi trika not negligently, and also only license to drive. No kukungo for yenjelino. This is clear manslaughter. This is pure manslaughter. And the contractor now, project we know. By this time I was say. Yeah, resting or behind bars.
Because many a year, I am also Central Municipal Chief Executive doing. What I'm saying say, one AC dino. Want to be producing the name, but it tells me say Get Fund project. Get Fund is persuasion and issues of concerning this project.
And you prior west, who not going to make us say west.
I didn't.
I was sending Pakrona or supervisor when you Spock now or Get Fund one also making sure say project is properly done. By this time, Crown cry or say am I inviting?
Because I know say most Get Fund projects, you know, AESL and a consultants.
So they should come and answer questions. Why?
I am not saying that you're in this case, but in most cases,
Obiani who pomu no. I say light soup. I had Kobiatum. Once I sent the woman, also be yano. Ombe yano because people's life. Me say a immigration in India, ne first born crowd accident. Look at the trauma. I'm saying yere nemba ni
I'm sorry
ho. Ena ne ban do mo yi no mom de ba wu ne first born. Once I all called man accident because
I think I have that video.
Well, because of this kind of negligence or negligence.
Accident.
Aye. Well, and this is a aside way negligence wouldn't say a criminal offense. Oh, Ghana Bremuno, Act 1960, Act 29, or say Section 75, causing harm, or say any act that causes harm through negligence is punishable. Section 66, manslaughter, or say if death occurred due to negligence, responsible persons may be charged. And the same of we are a contractor mason, it was say we use cement a sand ratio. Not because of a year requires away and an iron rod, sir. Omaro says Siciano, iron rod, a beard say kulikuli.
Meaning kulikuli pa.
Round slim, sir. Iron rod, I hear Coco sit down. I ha. Said Sebio, meat pie I want is. Na say, you bet Honomo. Na say, Standard Authority and now which institution
Ghana
Standards Authority mutna ho ye hwenka ehwenhan ema ye ball mine from say ya miwa ngofo mu produces anyama wo mu wie na ma sesa mu capital no de ko omo profit no de ko.
It's about time we strengthen our institutions in this country. Enforcement, yeah. Accountability.
When people go wrong,
let's punish them.
Let's punish them.
We don't do that.
We don't do that. Now, Famanyami Republic of Ghana.
Matisse obi ekowia a draw sister cities because no yare.
There be okowia sister cities no ko to edro.
Or go to edro because no yare.
Yaman 1 year.
And I am on 1 year.
I saw that what me hu year pa I was like.
And then I me hu na me
hu story and I was like.
Who? Nibo go yare o.
And we are sister cities. Akoto edro.
Akoto edro. No me jail in 1 year.
1 year.
60 cities 1 year.
What sort of a country are we running?
60 cities
is to
let's do simple proportion. That is why when we sika billions 2.4 billion as that kasi. What's working free? 100 years no.
But see, this country,
our legal system, the judiciary, sometimes say, I'm telling you, how can we have a system? And no they're able to pass through the net. Listen to the irony of the situation.
I'm listening.
And no or pass through the net. But the net not to me. That is the system we have, our legal system. And it's a shame to have this kind of legal system. In Penifo, who scot free. They can have lawyers who can delay their cases 8 years, 7 years in court. Obi 6 Ghana. Akoto no WhatsApp went 1 year uncle them.
Mami na say
I'm not as a Kufuado to a Eribesi Cathedral. I went there and I saw something. I started. How many a ton of iron rods?
Yeah. Minim. Saying.
Require over 200 metric tons of iron rods to go on April.
Iron rods April.
And to be called to a bunch of way. Erasted.
Oh.
Uber Timmy saying you saw a sun blasting. He go on April. What am I saying?
I was saying, quite a
what they call go and April. Contract and not to go. And your hotel you mano and a pro near Tianco a year. It's about 200 tons. Now, your Tian ye near cast contractor got to us was iron rods now problem. Iron rod now. Am I why the contract Uncle Tabby? Uncle National Cathedral. Mamma, I'm ready. I'm dream. Don't dream who we that contract at the corner of where dare you? Iron rod now a problem. That's my problem.
But I said, I assess the situation and son, I use. But it will still be causing financial loss.
I rod no canon, never no calculated one. Maybe 50 tons per account, okay, 1.6 million, and our ever 1.7 million. Would be $99 million. It's $98 million. To fish point
Roger.
Me, I'm expressing a national concern.
Sure.
The Meko. I did say, would a fire for book couldn't be a pursuit the book. But iron rods no good sense soon me pro e won kra ha no.
And that me send $1,000.
And ka de ka mun fanya hwekura nka mun fama
iron rods.
La so me ko ton
iron rods on pro easily $100,000.
Iron rod on pro easily dam. Na won what iron rods on gusuma. Won what iron rods on gwa abo no sin ton guda. Obi ani ho a what iron rod be di gwa yiye. Iron rod to go. Iron rod to go ya was $97 million amuna kese o the way. $97 million I'm not the way. Iron what na be ka wasam. I don't know bubu no. I don't know so bubu. I don't pen ka wasam. Iron what like.
Go road out to me here any.
No. Judges.
Where them mami na mase. Debbie. Me pabucho.
Don't baby am fanye. But my sika and a problem. Consider Edana Akufado bubun, Edana also bubun.
Cantonment.
Edana also bubun.
But that is not what we are talking
about. No, I'm saying that should be a matter of consent to him, not iron what
Maminka say RSYD Norwegian Studios ɛwɔ nkran ha bepatchon ɛyɛ studio a wode w'ani kyerɛ now person twa picture and now person twa wo senior ukɔ hɔ a mepatchon ɛyɛ ade a w'ani bɛgye ho yie paa studio no emu da hɔ emu so na wohwɛ nneɛma a wɔn de asiesie studio na ɛyɛ state of the art ɛyɛ abɛfo deɛ ne bi mepatchon sɛ woyɛ creative arts person now person woyɛ video and now person twa social media skater mekanfo RSYD no video studios ɛde ama wo wɔn sɛ creative director ɔbɛboa wo ɛhɔ deɛ podcast no wokɔtwa podcast wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ kama na kae sɛ ɔmo special effects a mepatwa wotwa wo sini a ɛbɛboa wo ayɛ te sɛ the original backdrop na wɔpɛ no they have the professional backdrop also to help you ɛbɛtwa wo sini na hwehwɛ ɔmo akyi akwan ɛwɔ nkran ha wɔmo ɛwɔ malam abiase Coco Cross Street, no, Eswo. Now, Ukowa, Ayadia, Obehu, RSYD, no video studios. That is where your reality can become, your vision, I beg your pardon, can become very real for you. From 057 4715 778. Again, you can read them on 030 3974822. If you really want to create something extraordinary, then you should know it is RSYD, not Video Studios. That is where your dream will become reality. Medical catch out that say Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Yeah, yare kwankro. So when ya injury, and only mobile stroke nti, what can pay more on so there? Me pacho a year. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. One more dear, they are up to date with researches. One more latest research, one more year. Ewo yadia wo mutimi sane de me pacho bema wo badabrijo untimi mfaya chese untimi ma oba mfefuru oba wo so wo ho a chese every month bia no na wo menses na betwem ko unyim da wo pese ofefuru a aye Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic bema mema yetin dem ho nyina se no ye nyina ye nyini kakra the one hwe ye na prostrate start to say how obeto ananam wo se do ntamo be ma wotie bi ti wo ho no na wo bon ho ban afi prostate yade no clinic so no nko a mekanfo ama wo no eye Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic because be ma tena ho che na prostate ade ne ho jim na kai se adabrijo no ya ba bebo bi o so share ya but pew anchere Obana huntono, feel good. Not just a wabesenko, a yes, who be he, but all ye be jow, and I be fauci. Sir, Upe Sausa Saya de wing na, a your Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, or be also as a dim cacrana and Sawo so. Wakrano brebum, Pabonding Nakoji massage cacra. And Maya kama or hoya memma, and Maya kama massajo. Hey! No matter what, dear. And the matter where you know me came, and your Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. But I'll show more crying, almost shell signboard. Sir, Ushamo Kumasia. One more ewo chronom abo here. Obi bisa a shell signboard no way. Ewo Spintex Road. But any endpoint for Enkasa. Ewo 0244867068. Again, call them on 02742 34321. Now, Amari. Assembly see here no Yera Henry Cote, former member of parliament, what follows the side of the story?
I mean, who know somewhere, I think on social media. Now or complaints a pound upon you.
Aye. Now, we just assume we see and we be almost tree, no, whatever.
Minimum so besides that question.
Yeah.
The unknown any power or area alcohol.
According to the municipal chief executive, I mean, in the common, or regional minister Krabaho. Any the local government minister ba ho no omo ka chom so munyina baby no munya adwuma
because I'm saying kind was he the only person who went there?
There were other people.
Area ho fo nyina obi ati yakra me kra no meti bi o mjowulo obi ka frɛ bi ka dem say ada na member ho bi na say ada me da be na me ye nadmo officer
da be na we nadmo officer
ono dey nadmo officer
Dabi Ono was the MP. No, Ono was the MP there.
Former MP.
Miss no a former MP.
Yeah.
And assemblyman, assembly here, only a friend first.
Okay. But in this case, on your assemblyman,
and I make us
the current
former. Me, I'm here former chairman. Cry a friend, Miss Mimraho.
Dabi.
Me say friend, they call somebody called me from the area.
Your friend say bra.
And I'm say that be me say met me I'm afraid that move and I'm say that move for police force say I and I was there for because they me caterpillar I be caterpillar there but me I can't me those are mean to van ko human. So they will need to rent excavators and a friend crane somebody to be left and those are the things they need. And I believe say nipa na o no. Then later I saw in the video say I Henry call on ya permanent so punchy. No say we nka me call hobia.
But Ujiri say ya pamono I atisamo because for now we have not been able to have any video footage.
Only na ka no. E for the say.
The municipal chief executive
was on one kasa minister kraba o ya pamono. Wanka.
Okay. Also munyina baby.
Ya pam na free ole ya catch us ko jina baby difference benum.
Roger, please allow me why.
Ya pam we free ho. Na catch us ko jina da ko jina ya ti hey. Ya catch re
bright
bright say o free da ba don ko jina bon tia. Ya pam na ase so ko jina.
They be say ejuma na ba.
There be ya pam na ase ya so ko jina bufro.
But on the am pam sa ponche.
Onu de on say pam na say kai
But Ujiri say o metumi apamono sa.
Zago fu enum. O ba mi da ba me nka.
O ma obi da. Share your experience. Ehina akwa mo yes ade ni jana.
They omunya power ho.
NDC for no.
Yes. They think
they say if we have power.
Roger, please you have your turn. Mami Tino.
They think just a wiase nyina yo mo dia. And when they are doing something or they are sharing something or you are getting closer to them,
that I hear not quite pamo.
See me ray. And I'm quite almost your minimum.
I went then occasion man.
I'm a boy be or more.
There will be some occasion man.
I'm a boys' best meeting be a moyami who I'm a cochiamo. Omu yimi fi SB, I miss her.
That's a boys meeting and I party NDC for and we own meeting.
Oh, some to hold my home and crop my home is over.
Debut,
who Roger no one
oh, David, oh, my that's somewhere okay.
Okay, my home here, so when I nest, we are nest, where ending we are nest. Oh, and this is nest. Now also work cook. Hey, oh, but hey.
All right.
So media. Yeah, I know them, and I know how devil, wicked, deliberate they are.
Now as we no see you know, security no mo call ne omo mo ko share ho no. No mo NDC fo ana. No ma pamo
Harry was once the interior. National security.
Yeah.
And then interior, the mutaka guitar to say, or not the few who are not, Yadama mutaka. At least we have police for the soldier for security force. At least, my name say IGP, even no matter how damn pare, the wickedness in who before police in Libya who knows to me.
No crime.
Now, former interior minister there, and say, what bang police for.
Na se do mu ye djuma adan ye buegu ye pese ye gini panom
kwa na me ka kira wo se
ana yesu be
nipa kura na nipa ko ho no mo a wo posto wo Ghana ha asem petrol ahwe a ye sikwa nipa sa ko gina ho ehwe me wa obi timi fa no moto no watu ya sika petrol ka bi eja tom ni edi me ka na ko hwe ya se petrol bi me ka da ai junction ha gas repair the frozen atomic junction gas no atomic gas na ma fo tu ka no mo kwa hwe eh enti se si no atomic ai bibi edan buagu Ghana ha se eni pa hwe edan buagu na amanfo ati ko na esi former MP wati na otifie ni wada. What kind of person will you be?
What am I na say? My me na see the omo ye ni the omo anya de.
Anya dabi o. Ana say
maybe say the omo ye no allegedly omo de
sack him from there. Nka media for dem akadam ko. Media for dem but no bia ni kire obi atwa de na ebu na but people saw it, that's why they went to him. And I'm coming as I didn't see. No, I say ya pam me say Aponji.
Me that say. Let me listen to you. Go back on this.
Yeah. See. I mean, I say me I'm kind of plain. Or money what the can one up power bone summer. Was it too? Was it what she tuma on your party? I him from put to order under one swell. Bodyguard of the president put all the chiefs that one swell. I don't know someone said like papa one can say cast and be the and call because I need more and add more. Now I don't know you want to add more. Is he no as you want to wait 21 or the respond to them issue no come one them training for that response. Inti asaman most of the young can pepe now prof no what the waka was me you MP aka was me beda jowulu kakra ono an ko man for complain an ko fa ayi no mbe ye but I know a different situation
but on my mentio
on the this issue no the assessment makasa MB one problem also there if you or lack of continuity. I want to emphasize that point. On the project aban bishase na say when we are aban foforo no bound to adun the mazin wa hawen abeka the affordable housing no enwazina the structures e be the one wa
I know
kofo the time affordable housing project na oshase no the structures no they are still there saglame or I mean what kind of nation is this Omona people pay more attention to their political parties than the nation. People care more about the development growth of their political party than the development the growth of the nation. I don't understand. So you come to power, there are projects one way. Some of them put one preview party no shall see the one way. Continue.
You have drawn attention. I think Patrick would have to revisit this uncompleted government project. So yeah.
Yes, let's do special project, special documentary.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, auditors.
Yeah,
maybe private auditors. Don't want to audit the project, abandoned project.
Sure.
Uncompleted. The money we have wasted in this country. IMF never made a project.
I think Amasama Bruni on Facebook. I say, Abochi, Ebo used to take 20% and not take 10%.
Let me tell you my contract. Precisely my contract.
Was it 20%?
Amasama make 1,000%. I will say about I'm a Dr. Bauman better than this album. Damn. No sourcing what no Cocoa Road sourcing contract now. According to Auditor General's report, it will increase or inflate price in 3 times the price, 20% increment.
Wow.
More figures.
Okay, I don't really have that, but
I can give you the figures. The type of road or length say kilometers or maybe and so I can sourcing as and once you know you see Macan was me this I better say I'm me NDC annex. I'm me NDC annex. No quite
but I go back on NDC annex.
No never. Now see people don't know me. Some Sisalan no MPP for the E na adwen. No MPP people per there. That has been done. But now over here in Nano, pretend they're there. But why is this? We should focus on this. And I'm saying there.
Yeah.
We don't close the chapter easily. We need to remind Ghanaians of what you've done. We need to demand accountability of what you've done. I believe you Bana Senator Bear Bona. I forget to have to be the nation.
I'll take it.
Keep information for China. Abochi. Yeah. Nico call hormone. A hormone or quiet day. Why unye rescuer? Unye nadmo. Unye police. Wa wonye sojeni anya bia omoatam na building ni buye ekromu ofo no kra na no mo start say omo yi nkofo no kra mo baaye no mo twe omo ho na say bi o hwe yefu an block be no betumi amaso
Debbie, you can't say that.
na me ba just say stage ani na honde when here do akoye adwuma no say adwuma no
so you think obo so obi so or what?
But sisi ano nkofo a ya bo mo pa say omunye say adwuma no omo treni omo for say adwuma na ba iti gina nchen na anya bia bebi ogina ya oni media for kasa ye no hormo no enye sa grounds wa ana person ko gina blog ne so asa hu se wa ba hobi ubisa o mari wa de o se ye mu bi mu group ye na o ba ho na ye pam no na bebi anyata akonhie mu krama akwa eden o ana se bi o enama hia won sioma akokọ wo su konsuo asa akọtena meeting mu ye ne sama ne ye meeting aba o meeting ase me ba cho meeting ba o meeting ase entino dia ekọ se eye atorenchem na aba but as at the time baby a o ko gina no obi an ko gina ho nti o so gina nchen na observe from afar na se wo adwenkyere bi kra na wo de ama eyi fire penino ana se eyi your friend is saying police penino ho no na o mai ide initiative se bio se jato baby a utumi nko koma fire service for no instruction na also nko ground ho o mu take instruction from only one person o mu leader ho and that is how it's supposed to be. In what capacity did he go there? Former interior minister,
former MP,
former MP. I mean, so a baby or mom for almost a tubu se tuba. Na erosion say time o MP no erosion say na nipa bako e was a constituency ho see o de ono ani sika e de ye so that ensure to traffic no anya heavy o bisa no o ti gina mu so ompene o ti gina mu se ompene e ma omo nye sawe no na emom ebegu nanim ase na se nde bibia nkoye na se ye kan na se ye ko e ma ye we a o be de se ya ma kwan ma wan ko bi aden film na eyi nti be hwe bi no advice no maybe your person reviving the dead political career
Debbie, your time no call baby fuck us.
That's one na no mem say how am beka say traffic o krom ha no most often a traffic light as pothole be a daho and as run about to be I'm not be a bedaho Roger Rebecca you know maybe ya me hu so my back a friend is saying Achimota police station ho no traffic na wo ho pa omode ayini ko fa so ma de level no you saw already a ne carry there's no traffic the bedroom run about your bridge yasi my service heavy traffic from ABC honum bedroom run about to na hold the so rough now Honda so and because of that we kwa boko and it creates traffic odo pa but be a traffic will be a pothole ke same down and that's rough road be down
and I can't be a
yes obe you best rabbi sir adwuma nketenkete odo farmer a contractor for
hello good evening
good morning oh good evening
me ba cha one na me kase me ba cha odini baby o kase free
Elliot
all right okay yes you Elliot
anything before come on to because you know my brother Maria was there making catch and then linear gist about studio way but he began a mom for 8 years then to me the Mahama for 2 years and now 1.5 years she Ghana or sister Ghana almost time petrol is there you see almost time dollar $80 you see petrol about from but the Mahama but subsidy Ghana because okay recently Ghana is saying this before you go President Mahama you before because I before we lose Ghana you got to talk Ghana for properties me
that's it we are munya I can because for now the info be anko 2 months no yent make us we are from for hello good evening me ba cho 1 2 boa me ma wakwa ba cho wana me ne ka say all right me that's it so by jumedi no so hello good evening
Abochi
yeah me ba cho wana me ne ka say
one year sorry
baba da man pa cho my ntie why
Me patron, me tell my what the end of the day.
Me patron.
Yeah, Nami.
Omari what the?
Was some FTP in the land to be more Nami.
Yo.
I'm saying, my talk a very reducing and never answer a guy. If I'm sharing the incoming national chairman, you will ABOTCHIE again. I knew the army. And now Monday, Friday, a year, Friday. Unfortunate, any incident let's see, say, Diana, a good movie. I will ask system one. DSC Melcom. Then I do a big drama. And can lay a and Casadi we am. Number who be you Facebook. Someone in Pano Coho. Now I'm coming. But the politics I could do. I was in the FTA a year this year. And yet the cat among our warning in our bar. Nikwada, ye be a winner. Now I can't more boom to live about the answer to be hard. And the other Trainian ended before. I'm not more yes, woman, senior, dollar, a bar for petrol bar from ABOTCHIE to bottom arm from. I'm not being so strategic. I could see a light in hand and then it's Accra. Accra can't see now the tackle, the two seconds said, Dominic, you see Accra, this is a show my estate. Not my book after
wow.
You are not for your 90.
Me patron na si form.
And I'm your back to your mom when you say, there were minor shelling. Only in co institution. Microphone is something that can only put 7% not prepare for my book one of you. Yet, all my
Me that's it. I sorry, Mammy that's it. Hello, good evening. Me patron, one a minute, can say. 1 minute.
PROF. Pacho bright now because I feel I was so kind.
Bright, what are my mind to you? Why?
Yamin stop, Papa. Your better say or bois.
Me patron, Yabutre. What can I say? Also, Caudian.
No cry now, Gina, watch me.
Thank you, call
my member of Basupa. Namintia, yeah, mammy, a VP, vice president, yeah, mammy, Nana.